Yeah, from last 2 days, a western disturbance is influencing northwest India. Along with that, there is a wind which is coming from Bay of Bengal to northwest India, as well as Arabian Sea winds are also coming from northwest India. So there is a confluence over the northwest India, and along with that, due to the moisture feeding from Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and western disturbance, there was light moderate rainfall, even heavy rainfall also occurs over some places like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand in past few days, and light moderate rainfall over remaining region, along with strong winds, or you can squally wind up to even 60 to 70 km per hour. Now the WD, as if you talk about the current position, WD lies over North Haryana and adjoining area. Under its influence, we are expecting light moderate rainfall over entire northwest India, but its intensity will definitely decrease from yesterday. Now if you see the map, we have given yellow alert for Jammu Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, West UP, but still we are expecting over Rajasthan there may be the strong wind 50 to 60 km per hour, and that area we have given the orange alerts.